Alright guys, so we ate breakfast, and no, this video isn't sponsored by either of these, but we just had breakfast. Now we're about to go to the beach. Today's gonna be a beach day because I got stung by a jellyfish, I think, the other day, so I was only there for a short period of time. So today, we're gonna get it in on the beach, swimming in the water. We're just gonna have a beach day. And if you guys didn't check, there's a whole bunch of other content on this channel that you'll love, so check it out. And with that said, and now your mama knows. Roll it.
And now your mama knows.
Alright guys, it is looking beautiful and we are about to have this beach day. But check this out. That's the big pool. That's our building right there. It's nothing but a little walk to the beach, baby. My man Bobby, you ready for this day? Sierra, ready for this day? Michaela, ready for this day? Sandra Beaches, you ready for this day? Alright.
You guys are relaxing?
So I got the snorkel mask and I'm about to go out there and mess with the girls. The water's awesome, so warm. Alright girls, let me see you do some tricks. Do a handstand. Okay, okay. Alright, what you got?
I don't do tricks in the ocean because I don't like when I put my head underwater.
Ah, you don't do tricks in the ocean because you don't like when you put your head in the water? Put your head underwater! Put your head underwater! Do it! Do it! Backflip. What was that? I'm putting it down. Do my handstand.
Go! Can you go?
Alright.
Whoa, you're cool. He fell down. Woo! He looks like a...
Oh man, look who's coming into the water. Oh yeah. Y'all gotta do some tricks, alright? Alright, now it's a party. Get ready for the wave. Bobby's gonna ride it. Oh, here you go. Get ready, Bobby. Woo! Having fun? Oh, he's riding. Alright, time for me to put my phone away so I can get in here and have some fun. You ready to get drowned?
You ready to get drunk?
Alright, so after some fun in the ocean, it's time to hit the pool. So let's rinse off. Bobby, let's play footsies.
I'm good.
What you mean? Well, we were gonna go to the pool, you see right behind me. But if you look up and see right behind me, oh man, them clouds are rolling in, so all the pools are closed. What I don't get is even the indoor pool's closed. Why? Why, Bobby? He doesn't know either?
Usually not.
Look how cute they are. You ladies look like little women. Sierra, you want to look this way? Or you just want to... Alright, cool.
I'm sorry.
Like, okay.
Did that hurt?
I like it. You guys look cute. Alright. Good stuff. So check it out. After coming back, taking a shower, we're gonna relax.
Where are we supposed to sit at?
And we are trying to find a movie to watch
Where
on
are we
the
supposed to
old Netflix. Sierra.
Where are we supposed to sit at?
Michaela.
You can sit on Bobby's bed.
And Bobby. Chilling.
Is this
Oh,
mine?
yeah.
Down, yeah.
Let's do it.
Mine?
Alright, so check it out, guys. We're gonna watch Lizzie Borden. Alright. So let's check it out.
Sounds so boring.
Well, we need to get excited. Sierra, get excited like you did our Lizzie Borden.
No, that was me.
Oh.
No, I did. No, I did. Down there.
And then you see Bobby. He's like, yeah, okay.
Let me try my next ones out.
I'm making popcorn.
Ooh, popcorn. Yeah, buddy. All right, so after us all taking a nap, relaxed, look at them. Twinsies. Do you feel sad that you're not wearing your dress since you bought all the same dress? All right. Anyway, so we're going to eat.
No, she had.
Now your mom.
Okay, you could have worn it.
Did you guys see that? So when we went to Florida last year for spring break, one of the places we fell in love with was Steak and Shake. So we had to find one down south. Let's go. Oh yeah, we are here. Look like it is packed. Yeah. All right, so what did you get, Michaela?
I got the bacon and cheese steak burger.
Oh, okay. What did you get,
The
Sammy?
bacon double steak burger.
You want to see
Yeah,
it,
buddy.
I'll show you.
What did you get, Bobby?
Chicken fingers.
Okay, ready for this, buddy?
All right, what did you get, Sierra?
The same thing as the Caleb.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what it's called.
And I got the
Except I got
jalapeno
double
burger.
fries.
Oh yeah, and some coleslaw. Let's see the bite.
Ooh.
Let's go. Oh man. Sandy, you got what, the side by side thing?
Yeah, you want to see? Look,
But let's see. So one side is what?
strawberry, one side is banana.
Nice. And what do you two ladies get?
Cookies
Oh yeah, both got cookies and cream?
and cream.
Okay. You got cookies and cream also, right? So generic. Alright, let's try it. Ready? Reese's peanut butter chocolate. Late night, almost 10:30, and I'm coming to the pool, baby. What is wrong with y'all? Lazy river time, huh?
Practically full of
Alright, so me, Sierra, and Michaela are at the beach. Oh yeah. Alright, so these little girls got me out here because I'm apparently their photographer. Because they want to take some pictures late at night on the beach, sitting on the lifeguard chairs. Alright, let's go. Woo. How is it warm like bath water, baby? South Carolina! Oh yeah! That's some warm water. To be 11 o'clock at night. Yeah! Lovely out here. 11 o'clock at night. A troll has jumped into my picture. So what do you guys think of your vacation so far? Oh no, you broke your nails. Alright. Enough.
Stop. Where am I gonna get this? I'm gonna do it.
Alright, go ahead. Me and the Glitter Sisters! Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And now, your mama knows.